The Shark IZ163H Pet Plus Cordless Vacuum is a true champion in the battle against dust and pet dander, and it feels as though it was forged from pure ingenuity. This lightweight stick vacuum glides effortlessly across both carpets and hard floors, picking up every last speck with its powerful suction. The self-cleaning brushroll is a knight in shining armor, tirelessly preventing hair wrap and ensuring continuous, uninterrupted cleaning. Its HEPA filter, a sentinel of clean air, traps 99.9% of dust and allergens, so you can breathe easier and feel confident in your home's cleanliness. Furthermore, the vacuum's 40-minute runtime is more than sufficient for tackling most messes, and it feels like an endless well of power. Finally, with its easy-to-use controls and versatile design, the Shark IZ163H Pet Plus Cordless Vacuum transforms the arduous chore of cleaning into a remarkably satisfying experience, truly making it a transformative tool. Indeed, the Shark IZ163H Pet Plus Cordless Vacuum is a versatile ally, and its design is a testament to thoughtful engineering. The vacuum's ability to fold for easy storage is a game-changer. It tucks away neatly into a small space, much like a clever secret. Meanwhile, the lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to maneuver, allowing you to reach under furniture and into tight corners with the agility of a nimble dancer. Consequently, the vacuum's powerful suction, coupled with its specialized tools, makes it the perfect solution for pet owners. Therefore, you can easily switch between cleaning modes to tackle everything from stubborn pet hair on upholstery to fine dust on hardwood floors. On the other hand, its striking raspberry color is a bold statement, but its true beauty lies in its unparalleled performance and efficiency. For instance, whether you are dealing with a large spill or just doing a quick touch-up, this vacuum is always ready to rise to the occasion. In conclusion, the Shark IZ163H Pet Plus Cordless Vacuum is far more than just a cleaning tool. It is an indispensable partner in maintaining a spotless home. Ultimately, its robust features, including the HEPA filter and self-cleaning brushroll, make it a powerhouse against dirt and allergens. Furthermore, its user-friendly design and flexible storage options ensure that it fits seamlessly into any household. Of course, the sheer convenience of a cordless vacuum, combined with the power of a traditional one, is a dream come true for many. Subsequently, every use feels like a victory against the forces of mess and disorder. Truly, this vacuum is a shining example of modern cleaning technology, and it proves that functionality and style can, in fact, coexist beautifully. Pros: quiet operation, holds a charge for 40 to 45 minutes, easy to maneuver, effective on hard floors. Picks up pet hair and litter, lightweight, durable, easy to empty and store, powerful suction. Front lights show dust and debris, ideal for daily quick cleanups, good for people with back issues, easy to assemble, battery is long-lasting. Cons: charge indicator light placement, HEPA filter doesn't lift out, rolling brush is a huge pain to clean, weak suction with brush extension features. Cordless design, self-cleaning brushroll, HEPA filter, lightweight, deep cleaning for carpet, deep cleaning for hard floors, folds for easy storage. 40-minute runtime, pet hair cleaning. Raspberry color. The Shark IZ163H Pet Plus Cordless Stick Vacuum in Raspberry is a lightweight and versatile cleaning tool. It features a cordless design with a 40-minute runtime, a self-cleaning brushroll, and a HEPA filter, making it effective for deep cleaning both carpets and hard floors. The vacuum is also adept at picking up pet hair and can be folded for convenient storage. The Shark IZ163H Pet Plus Cordless Stick Vacuum is a lightweight, easy to maneuver vacuum that's great for daily quick cleanups on both hard floors and carpets. Its powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and HEPA filter make it an effective tool for picking up pet hair and litter. Users appreciate its quiet operation, easy assembly, and the convenience of a 40 to 45 minute runtime. It also has helpful front lights to illuminate debris and an easy-to-empty dust cup. The vacuum's folding design makes it easy to store, and its lightweight build is ideal for those with back issues. However, some users find the rolling brush difficult to clean, note a weaker suction when using the brush extension, and find the placement of the charge indicator light to be inconvenient. Additionally, the HEPA filter is not easily removable,